People sleep peacefully in their beds at night, only because rough men stand ready to do violence on their behalf. A very good morning to one door present here. I, Nancy Sahu,
And I am Memori Pandey.
of class 9th A, are here to make your morning more meaningful and informative.
Yes, today we are here to present a street play in front of you. I know that not a many people know what a street play is.
A street play is an act of drama which is different from the conventional performances that we perform on the stage, or what we call it as a skit. A street play is not performed on a stage but on roads in different localities with the purpose of delivering a message on any social issue. But do you know who was the person who began this act of street play?
Let me tell you, it was Mr. Sampadan Hashmi began this play with some of his friends on a very burning social issue. My friends, talking about social issue, I think that the increasing number of traffic problems is due to the great rise in the level of corruption.
आजकल लोगों का पुलिस से कहना जरा साइड में चलिए, मामला निपटा देते हैं. But Mahatma Gandhi said, let the first act of every morning be to take the following resolve for the day. I shall not fear anyone on earth.
I shall fear only God.
I shall not be an ill will towards anyone.
I shall not submit injustice from anyone.
I shall conquer untruth by truth, and in resisting untruth, I shall put up with all the sufferings.
I know that you all might be thinking that what might be the reasons of this increasing corruption, especially on roads. So we would like to tell you that the same agenda with the 90s present before you, a street play on the issue I follow. So here we present
I follow. Follow the traffic rules. It's better for me and you. Follow the traffic rules. It's better for me and you. Follow the traffic rules. It's better for me and you. Follow the traffic rules. It's better for me and you. कोलकाता है follow rules. कोलकाता है follow rules. कोई नहीं करता follow
What have you done? Oh my God, it's burning.
Arey, show me, Sarji. I will farastate it.
Farastate?
You don't know farastate? Maram patti.
Oh, first aid? No need. I'm a bit fine now.
You're fine, then go and stop him, Sarji. Otherwise, some accident will happen, and then everything would be Ram hi rakhe, Ram hi rakhe.
Stop irritating, you idiot. I have purposely made him stand there so that I can catch a target for today. No culprit. Understand?
Your idea is good for us also. If people will gather, we will also get the trouble.
ए भाई
जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे ही।
अरे wait, don't go, run me.
पीछे भी ये भाई। बाजू बाबू समझो इशारे, फौरन पुकारे, काम काम काम।
यहाँ चलती है गाड़ी, हॉर्न पुकारे।
काम काम काम।
दोनों जवानी की मस्ती में चूर, ना तेरा कसूर ना इसका कसूर, ना तूने सिग्नल देखा ना इसने सिग्नल देखा, एक्सीडेंट हो गया।
रब्बा, ओ माँ,
ओ माने
आगे।
shut up, come with me to the police station. But sir, it was not our fault. He came in between. Show me your license.
Show me what you got. Show me what you got.
Show me your license. Take sir. What is this?
Sir, this is permit.
Permit for drinking.
Sir, I think they are drunk.
What? Firstly, you show me this permit in the name of license and then you drink and drive?
But sir, today everything works without license. And in Gujarat, permit is required only for one thing, and that is drinking, sir.
What? Come with me to the police station.
You don't know who my father is. Who is your father? Once you will know who my father is, then you will forget who's your father.
My father, your father. Your father, my father. Come with me to the police station. I'll give you fine of rupees 5,000.
Arey, Saab, let's come to a corner and settle it amongst ourselves. Wait, sir, wait. Sir, I have seen everything. Now I will tell everyone. मुझे पता है, मुझे।
Good morning, sir.
What is all this happening?
Nothing, sir. I follow, sir.
I follow? What kind of I follow is this? Am I mad?
No, sir.